whining on the charts climbing as I make the funk kicking out more harder than a diamond. And if you didn't know who's rhyming, I guess I'm gonna say Craig Mack with perfect timing. You won't be around next year, my rap's too severe, kicking mad flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max, brand new flavor in your ear. Craig Mack, 1,000 degrees. You'll be on your knees and you'll be burning, begging, please. Brother Freeze, man's indisputed and deep-rooted funk smoke that leaves your brains booted. This bad MC with stamina like Bruce Jenner, the winner tasting MCs for dinner. You're crazy like that glue. I think that you could outdo my 1-2 that's sick like the flu. Shake 'em down, boy. I flip, boy, all the time. Cause, boy, the rhyme you're kicking ain't worth a dime. Seems like there's no competition in this rap world expedition. You come around and knock you out position.
So I was up at Recoil today, and Larry was asking me, he's like, have you seen the new SPL woofer from Recoil? I was like, yeah, I've seen it. He's like, he was like super excited. I go, dude, there's already like 100 products that do the same job at the same power rating in that space. I said, the only thing that's different is this huge 4-gauge terminal that Wang Hai seems to be stuck on. I said, set screws suck. So like, I think 5 out of the 8 were missing. Luckily though, this happens to be a M4. And so I just grabbed these. They use the number 2 interface, number 2 Phillips. So these are a little long, but it's fine. It doesn't do anything. But it was just like, it's so dumb too, because when I actually sold this to Jeremy and Gasaway, and I pulled it out of the box that it was in, and the wires were already chewed off. So that's the problem with these terminals, man. You tighten them because you want them tight, but you don't know how tight is tight. And you also, like, if you use anything other than copper, even copper, it chomps down and bites and kills. But if you use aluminum, it definitely chews through them. So I just don't, there's no reason to have a set screw like that on a speaker terminal. In fact, I would love spring terminals on amplifiers. So I think that would be cool. What was it? There's a couple companies that did that, but they use the little cheap plastic ones. I want real metal ones. So, but I told Larry, I was like, why don't you just use a 4-gauge spring terminal? And he's like, it won't handle the kind of current that this woofer handles. I'm like, it's just a 1200 watt woofer, dude. That's not that much. It's not that big a deal. So, but I think he was just regurgitating what China told him, and I was just like, don't listen to China. So, but that's how it goes. Like this one's rated at 800 max. So probably does like 400 watts. I'd love to look it up, but I'm sure you can look it up on the Internet Archive. Let's see, we'll do, I think it's 6. So let's sweep it. Give her my heart. Very next day, you jizzed it away. 38 hertz, not bad. I mean, it just still makes it just a mid bass. QTS is 0.49, so right in the middle. That means it can go either ported or sealed is fine for this. I would actually rather go, I don't know. It depends. A lot of times in order to make a small sub like this sound good, you got to put it in like a really big box, like at least 1 cubic foot, if not like 1.3, 1.5. And that's just too big. It just makes it a floppy butthole, and it's no bueno. I personally, I wouldn't use this as a woofer anyway. I would just use it as a mid bass. If that, all you have to do is turn up your crossovers on your woofers for a mid bass. It says 0.35, we'll round up. 0.35 cubic feet, so you only need 1/3 of a cubic foot to hit 38 hertz. It says it's dual 4, but it comes out at 7 ohms total. So, whatever. But this is the MA audio. What are this called? Hardcore? They made like 3 different versions too. Like, even in the 12 and stuff like that, they made like I think a 2-inch version, a 2.5, and then a 3-inch version. The 3-inch version is actually pretty badass. But they hide it in this frame. I mean, if you like that frame, that's great. But XL, that's what these are. XL series. So we'll get a good little photo of that for the thumbnail. But this is going to Jeremy G tonight. I was supposed to do it last night. I ended up getting busy, but we'll send this to him. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.